David's Techno.
Hello friends, today I'm going to teach you how to remove a background of an image. First things first, I'm on my browser and as you can see I've opened this website known as RemoveBG. The URL is remove.bg. The link is also given in the description. So when you're on this website, you just go on the home page and click on upload image. Now I'm using this man's image. Now it's preparing the uploaded. Now the background has simply removed. But you'd be thinking you have to use some third-party service to add it to your logo or add some different background. But no. There's an edit before you download. Now I'm just gonna download the image first. It's downloaded, let it stay there. But now I'm going to download an edited image. You can upload the background, add a blurry one, this is the normal image, or like you can just simply change it. You can transform this guy into any place you want. And your own photo too. Now, what about he's in the middle of the road? Looks cool, right? Again. So you can use as many you want. There are so good backgrounds in this. You can erase and restore. You can actually erase things from the image. And you can actually restore too. Like the background is getting restored. But we do not want that. So I'm just gonna erase the background again. Actually, look, I erased him too. I wouldn't suggest that doing so. I'll just undo it. Yup, this was the earlier one. Now you can get colors too. You can blur backgrounds and then you can download finally. But I'm gonna use a beach one actually. Here it was. And I'll do zero blur. How does this look? Let's just download it. Download the image. Now as you can see, which we downloaded without the background, it had only black surface, and which we downloaded with a new background had the beach. So you can use this a lot of times, but you cannot download HD. You need to actually I think buy something, but normal download is good. There's no need for download HD actually. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you want more tips on technology and more. So bye guys. Meet you in my next video.